a piece of metal rod is cut into 4 pieces in the ratio of 3 to 4 to 4 to 5. The shortest piece is 6 centimetres shorter than the longest piece. How long was the original piece of metal rod? Basically, what we've got to do is find out what one part is worth. So to do this, 6 centimetres represents 5 minus 3. That's the highest. Take away the smallest, because the shortest piece is 6 centimetres shorter than the longest piece, which is now 2 parts. So 6 centimetres represents 2 parts, then 1 part is 3 centimetres. The total number of parts is going to be 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5, which makes 16 parts. Therefore, the length of the original rod will be 16, the 16 parts times what each part is worth, 16 times 3, which is 48 centimetres. So this has been a video to show you how to use ratios to find the total length of a metal rod. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.